This is my import.py file where I've created this create table function. It basically initializes the database with all these tables: user table, books table, and the reviews table. There is also this code where I'm adding the data present in books.csv to the books table. And moving on to the website, this is the registration form. Now I will try to create a new account. So the password is Harry. If I have successfully created an account, it will redirect me to a success page and show me that I have successfully created. Otherwise, it will redirect me to an error page. Let's try login from the same credentials. So once I have successfully logged in, it will... Okay, so this is my search page where in this table I'm showing all the data that is present in books.csv. And using the search bar, we can search for book with the ISBN number, title, and author. Let's try searching for this word Ray. So as you can see, Ray is present as a substring here, with author here as well, then in this title as well. Now let's try searching for some random string, and it will show me that there were no results found. Yeah, exactly. So now let's try searching for book with the ISBN. So it will search for 0380 as a substring in ISBN. Now let's try leaving a review. So there's a logout button as well. You can log out from any of the page. So this is the book page where the title of the book and the author name is present, and this average rating and the work rating count as well. There's year, there are previous reviews that are present in the database. Now let's try leaving some review. Hello world, and give it 5. Now submit. As you can see, I've submitted a review, and the review form is no longer available because I've added an if condition in my here if condition. If I've already added a review, then it won't show me the review form. Now let's try logout. So I've successfully logged out from the session. I've printed this session and I successfully logged out from the application. Now let's try searching for some book with the API number 0380. I've also created this another function called test API. It basically I've created this to test whether the API is giving a 404 error or not. While this API is loading, let's try this function as well. Let's enter some random number, ISBN. Okay, so I don't know why it's taking so much time. Let's close the application and start again. Okay, so data was already over. Okay, so let's search again. So here you can see that I'm showing the author, the average score, ISBN, review count, title, and the year as well. So if I search for any of the let's try searching for any random ISBN number. So I will add this random ISBN number, then it will show me the status code. You can take a look here that I'm printing the response.